First, turn on the machine's power. SV sets the machine temperature. PV represents the actual temperature of the machine. Set button for settings, mode adjustment button. The left arrow is the displacement button. The down arrow is the decrease button. Up arrow is the value increment button. For more details, take a look at this image. After startup, press the movement key to enter the SP settings interface. Then use the displacement keys and increase/decrease buttons to adjust the temperature and time. Please note that after setting the temperature, you must press the set button to proceed to the next step. Finally, press the set and shift keys to save the settings, and the machine will automatically begin operation. To change the temperature during operation, press set to enter the procedure. Set the step to 1. Press set to save, then use the arrow keys to set the step temperature. After setting the temperature, press the set button to enter the time setting. Then set the temperature and time for the second step. Set the number of steps required based on your needs, with a maximum of 30 steps available. After completing the setup steps, press the set and displacement keys simultaneously to save. After successful completion, return to the main interface to begin work. When hold is displayed, the program is paused and mold removal can proceed. To continue operation, press set to change the step to 1, then press set to save. Press the set button repeatedly until the CNC screen begins to flash. At this point, hold down the down arrow key until the prompt "Run" appears, and the program will resume execution.